Tired of social media marketing feeling like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks? Let's unlock a proven strategy to transform your social media into a powerful product promotion machine. Step by step. First, pinpoint exactly who you're trying to reach on each platform. For example, are you targeting Gen Z on TikTok or millennial parents on Facebook? Knowing your audience is half the battle. Next, craft content that speaks directly to their desires. Think stunning product photos, customer testimonials that build trust, and behind-the-scenes videos that humanize your brand. Now, let's talk sales. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer integrated shopping features. Set up your shop, tag your products in posts, and make it ridiculously easy for customers to buy. To amplify your reach, explore social media advertising. Target your ideal customers with laser precision and watch your sales soar. And don't underestimate the power of influencers. Partner with creators who genuinely love your product to reach a wider, engaged audience. Run contests and giveaways to generate excitement and build your following. Encourage user-generated content for some authentic brand love. Finally, track your results. Which posts performed best? Which ads drove the most sales? Use this data to continuously refine your strategy and maximize your ROI. Master these steps and watch your product fly off the virtual shelves. Subscribe for more social media marketing secrets.